Hello my dear student, welcome back to the class. In today's class, we are going to complete exercise 2.3, alright, and we are going to complete that and we are going to start with exercise 2.4. Okay, so let us complete first exercise 2.3. So here is the question. The question states that Lipika reads a book for one whole 3/4 hours every day. Okay, so she reads the entire books in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? So you have to calculate how many hours will be required to complete that, to read that book. You have to calculate the time for how many hours she will complete whole book, read the book. All right. So according to the question, we can write here Lipika reads the book for how many? One whole 3/4 hour, right? For this much time in a day she reads the book. So that means it is 4 1 4 7/4 hour every day, isn't it? So this is the funda. So now how many days is required by her to complete the entire book? That is 6 days. So we will write Lipika number of days she took to read the entire book is equal to how many? 6 days. All right, so we can write therefore total number of hours required by her to complete the book will be 7/4 into 6. For this, every day she is reading for this much hour, and for how many days? 6 days. So what will be the, we can cut here 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, and write 7 3 is 21/2, or 10 whole 1/2 hours. So how many hours in all were required by her to read the book? That is 10 whole 1/2. Our total number of hours required by her to complete the book is equal to 10 whole 1/2 hours. All right, I hope you are clear with this. This is the simplest question here. Let us proceed to the question number 7. Student, here we have the next question, that is question number 7. The question states that a car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 whole 3/4 liters of petrol? So with 1 liter of petrol, it is running at 16 km. It runs 16 km using 1 liter. So using this much of liter, how much distance it will cover, that you have to find. Simplest one. So we can write, according to the question, we can say that the total number of distance traveled by a car in 1 liter of petrol, using 1 liter of petrol, how much distance a car is moving, that is 16 km. Now we have to find, then we can write what is the total quantity of petrol, how many within what liter of petrol we have to find the distance within 2/3/4 liters, right? So we will write what is the total quantity of petrol present. Total quantity of petrol we have is 2 whole 3/4 liters. All right, so let us convert this into the improper fraction. 8 19 11/4 liter, right? So with this much liter of petrol, how much distance the car will cover, that we have to find, right? So we can write total number of distance traveled by car in 1 liter it was 16 kilometer. Now we have to find for in 11 by 4 liter of petrol is equal to how much? 11 by 4 into 16. This is the Honda. So 1 4 1 the 4 4 4 the 16 and 11 into 4 is 44 kilometer. So this is the answer. Therefore total number of distance traveled by car in 11 by 4 liter of petrol equals to 44 liter. With 1 liter of petrol it is 16 kilometer. With this much liter of petrol, this much kilometer. Okay, so this is the clear one. So student, our next question is question number 8. So you have to fill in the blanks over here. It is given that 2 by 3 into fill in the blanks here is equal to 10 by 30. So simply we can do here, we can write in this form that 2 by 3 into 10 by 30 you have to get, no? So 5 2 5 is 10 and 5 3 10. So 5 by 10 would be the answer. But instead of doing this directly, let us do in a stepwise manner. Okay, so you may know that we have done in the previous class this type of a problem. Whenever the fill in the blanks is there, what we used to do, let the missing integer, let the missing number be x, isn't it? So let the missing number be x. We can do this. This is our x. Okay, so what we can do here is 2 by 3 into, it is x here, 10 by 30. We have to find the value of x, right? So what we can do, x is equal to 10 into 3, 10 into 3 divided by 2 into 30. Now you must be confused, sir, what you are doing? I'm not getting anything. So here what I have done is, just see, you can multiply with this x, 2 into x, 2x by 3. Out of here it is 1, so 3 1s are 3 is equal to 10 by 30. We can write like this. This we can write like this. So we have to get the value of x, no? So to get the value of x, what we will do, x is equal to cross multiplication. This is called by cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. We are crossing each other and we are trying to get the value of x. Okay, so x, what this we will cross multiply with this and we will cross multiply with this. So x will 2 will be multiplied with 30. Why it became denominator? Because x is in this side, x has 2 and 30, so it will be in this side. So if it is not related with x, then it will be that will be on another side, that is 3 into 30, 3 into 10, right? So this I have written, or 10 into 3 or 3 into 10. This is your choice, whatever you want to do. Okay, so now next what we can do, okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 10s are 30. Remember, just remember one thing, that you have to get 5 by 10. Okay, you have to get 5 by 10. We can cancel this also, but not now, because we have to get 10 by 30, you know, right? So 5 by 10 we have to get. So 3 10s are 30. Do not cut this 10 10 here, because we have to get 5 by 10. So we can do 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. X is equal to 5 by 10. Okay, we got 5 by 10. So yes, it is correct that we have to fulfill with 5 by 10. So we can write 2 by 3 into 5 by 3 is equal to 10 by 30. So this is our answer. Alright, I hope you are clear with this. So 5 by 10, sorry, 5 by 10. So over here, this is the quite tricky one, but this is the easiest way to solve this type of a problem. Okay, we can get directly this type of answer, but you will keep this as a reference. Okay, to get the value of x, 5 by 10, you will do first of all this, then you will get the x value 5 by 10. Do not cut this over here. You can cut, no, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. You can cut like this, but if you put again 2 by 3 into 1 by 2, then will you get the answer 10 by 30? Because 2 1s are 2 and 3 to 6. It is wrong, no? That's why we will not deduct. In some cases we are not going to deduct. Alright, I hope you are clear. So on the same question we have another part, that is number 2. We have solved the number 1 part. The number 2 part is the simplest form of the number obtained in blank. What is the number we obtain in blank? That is 5 by 10, no? So what is the simplest form? Now you have to deduct. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So the simplest form is 1 by 2. Simple, no? Now you have to deduct it, because at that time we could not deduce, or we could not divide that, because we have to get that our answer. Because of that we could not deduce, right? But here they have asked us to write the simplest form of this number. So 1 by 2 is the simplest form of 5 by 10. Okay. So student, if you have not understood the previous question, now let us solve another so that it will be understandable for you. Okay. So this is another problem which is similar to that of number A. Okay. So what we are going to do, let the missing number be x. Alright, we can write like this. So in the form of blank we will write x here and 24 by 75. On the similar way we will try to solve that also, this one also, on what manner we have solved the previous one. Okay, so 3 into x is 3x by 5 is equal to 24 by 75, isn't it? We can write like this form. 3 into x is 3x, and over here it is 1, x by 1, so 5 1s is 5 is equal to 24 by 75. We have written this. Alright, so now we can write now we have to do cross multiplication method to find the x value. So x we can write 3 into 75. Yes, because 3 is with x, no? 3 x friend is 3, so that's why 3 friends is also 75. So 3 into 75 cross multiply, but it will be down below. Now 5 will be with 24. Okay, so what we have to do here, okay, before doing this we forgot to mention one thing, no? So we can write directly with this one also to get 24 by 75, right? So how much after multiplication, how many times with 3 you will get 24? 3 8s, and after multiplication with 5, how many times you are going to get 75? 5 15s. So we have to get this answer 8 by 15. So after multiplying with 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, 5 1s are 5, 5 15s are 75. So we got our x value, that is 8 by 7, isn't it? So we can fill here like this, 3 by 5 into 8 by 15 is equal to 24 by 75. So our answer is 8 by 15. Okay. Similarly, in this question also we have another part, that is the simplest form of the number obtained in the blank. What is the number we obtained? That is 8 by 15. So can you divide this number? No, it is not possible, right? So our simplest form is 8 by 15 only. If you can divide only, then you can write in the simplest form. If you write like what we did in the previous sum, that 5 by 10 we divided 10 by 5, so 5 1 by 2 we got it, no? So similarly in this question we are not going to get this simplest form. The simplest form of 8 by 15 is 8 by 15 only. So our answer is 8 by 15. Okay. So student, with that question we are over with exercise 2.3 also. Okay, but before proceeding to exercise 2.4, I would like to give this 2 questions as a home assignment, which was based on the exercise 2.3, the last sum which we did, isn't it? So you have to fill in the blank, as well as you have to write the simplest form also. In this question also you have to do. So this 2 question you will try to do it yourself. Okay, it is very easy. On what manner I have done, okay, you will try to do it yourself. Okay. So student, let us start solving exercise 2.4. Okay. So the first question we have is to find the value of this 6 questions, which we are going to solve one by one here. Okay. Number 1, 12 divided by 3 by 4. So to solve this problem, we have to convert this divide sign into multiply, right? And what will happen when we are going to convert this divide sign into multiply? This fraction will get interchanged. That is, this denominator will become numerator and this numerator will become denominator. Okay, so it is like 4 by 3. We have done this type of problem in the previous question, in the previous class, right? So you should not get confused. 3 4s are 12. It is 4 4s is 16. So this is the answer here, 16. Okay, I hope you have understood. Let us proceed to question number 2. That is 14 divided by 5 by 6. So again, the process is similar. We will convert this divide sign into multiply. This denominator will become numerator. This numerator will become denominator. So anything cannot be deducted here. So we will directly multiply here. 14 into 6 is 84 divided by 5. So let us write this in a mixed fraction. It will be 16 whole 4 by 5. Okay, this is our answer. So let us proceed to question number 3. The question is 8 divided by 7 by 3. So if you convert this, it will become 3 by 7 and it is 3 8s are 24 by 7. Again, 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. 24 by 7, isn't it? So this is our answer. So next question is question number 4. 4 into 3 by 8. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. We can write 3 by 2 or 1 whole 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we can write like this, right? So next question is 3 divided by 2 whole 1 by 3. So first of all, we will solve convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. So we will write like this, 3 into 3 by 7. 3 3 is 9 by 7. We can write 1 whole 1 by 7. 7 1 is 7. 7. Sorry, it is 7 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. It is 1 whole 2 by 7. Okay. So proceeding to the next question. Similarly, what we are going to do here is 5 divided by 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 4 25 by 7. 5 into 7 by 25. So 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. It is 7 by 5. Or we can write 1 whole 1 by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 7 by. It is 1 whole 2 by 5. Okay student, this much for today. So see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy and do your home assignment. Okay, thank you everyone.